Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today, we'd like to show you the updates for Aptos USDT trading pair with my customer set. Let's dive in. So, guys, we're gonna talk about realistic gains for this token. In the next videos, I will include the Aptos in the next list of tokens by market capitalization. The gains with the X, from 1 to 5x, from 5 to 10x. And in this video, we're gonna check the realistic probably targets for this token. So we consolidate around the OK zone to buy. So this FIB, you remember I tracked since October 2022. This FIB relevant. I'm more than sure the Aptos will hit over than $20. It's just my personal opinion, guys. You can have your own and you have to build your own plan. I think just we're gonna sweep the actual highs. What we'll leave it here in January 2023 and March 2024. So this is just my personal opinion, based on this price action and this chart. I guess we're gonna hit over than $20 to sweep that liquidity pools. So this is a potential downtrend line, what I mark it by line chart. This one, we cut all noise, and let's take a look the realistic gains in percentage from present moment, right? So let's count here. This is a $4.66. So to hit $20, guys, it will be like 330% gains. Got it. If we check the supply now, so next unlock 11.31 million will be in next month. Got it. And 684 million. So approximately, I add into calculator, like in September, we will see 694 million tokens in circulation supply. Current market capitalization 3.2, FDV 5.4 billion. All-time high by market cap was like 8.15 billion. Got it. So let's take a look. Let's count. I highly recommend you guys use this calculator set. It's totally for free. You can count by market cap of tokens. Just add the total supply and investment outcome calculator. So you just easy to count what is your investment, buy price, sell price, and what is your returns will be. Link you can find in my Telegram channel. So price by token, $20, guys. Almost 14 billion market cap. So let's say like this one. Yes, 14 billion market capitalization. 14 billion market cap at $20. This point, from these current prices, it's 330% gains. Let's go to the historical snapshot on CoinMarketCap. I highly recommend it time to time to use it. Of course, we can't compare the liquidity in 2021, 2025. Basically, of course, the more money now into crypto with ETFs, with all of this stuff. But the problem is the more tokens, much more tokens this cycle. So the meme sector, all of this layer 1, layer 2, layer 0, DeFi, social fi, and all of this sectors, real world asset sector, right, absorb the liquidity. That's why it's hard to pump all tokens so high. So let's compare by market capitalization with the top gainers by market cap at the end of the cycle. Let's say May 9, 2021. We go in here and can find out. So 13 billion market capitalization. It's $20 price by Aptos. It could be like market cap 13 around here. So Aptos could be like on 16 rank over than Sol, Terra, Tron, Filecoin, EOS, Monero, Neo, Terra Luna, PancakeSwap, Iora, Shiba Inu, right? So if we talk about the realistic market capitalization, 14 billion, the people think, 14 billion is not a big deal, right? So 1 billion more, 1 billion less. It's billions, guys. So it's big numbers. It's a big difference between the million and the billion. So it could be like in top 20, where the Aptos now on 39 rank. So if we count and take a look by present capitalization of the token, so with 13 billion market cap, the Aptos should be around over than XLM, over than Stellar. Of course, the Stellar also will pump, but if imagine, so the Aptos skyrocket to $20 and Stellar will be the same price. So yes, we will be still in top 15. And yes, it can be the top for the cycle of this token. I don't think so. We're gonna close the 50% like $50 or $60, but it's also possible. So with a $50, guys, it's will be 34, almost 35 billion market cap, like this one, 50.3. So $50.3. If we count even to $50 from this current price, guys, it's in gains can be like almost 1,000. So 10x, 10x. That's the point. But it's not like, I don't know, 50x, 20x, 30x, 100x, and all of this stuff, guys. No, it's pretty big numbers, and you have to build a realistic gains. That's why I recommend you all the time, guys. With 100% profit, you just withdraw your initial deposit, leave free tokens. And after that, just ride with the free tokens even to new all-time high by crazy market capitalization. That's it. I believe in new all-time high for Aptos. When? Hard to say by timing. So now we consolidate. The zones for the flash crash, you know? So it's once again 4.13, 3.39, 2.34, $1.87. I don't think so we're gonna drop now to these levels, but in the next bear market, more than sure we will. Take a look now, guys. ADZ direction market mode. This is just a consolidation, so this is not a distribution. The most positive case, if we will form the divergence, if we will dump to, for example, 339, form the huge divergence like this one, and bounce to the top. Consolidation and accumulation since March 2025. It's a good one. It's a good one. Market smooth, disbelief. It's bullish. It's still bullish. Take a look at the money power. Weekly time frame, money inflow being at in February at 457, 566. So I think we will go higher. This is RSI bullish divergence was at 374. Buyback. Now I think, you know, we can trade in consolidation August and September, and October, November, I think we'll see the new highs. So that's it. Daily time frame, local corrections, guys. Here, the money inflow, 1, 2, 3 days money inflow, pumps. Now a recommendation close position, and no signal to sell or so, nothing. Take a look, the trade on I already showed you. Last one indicator is let's take profit. Take profit on a daily, guys. Buy line, it's $3.20. Daily time frame, 12 time frame. Lines are dynamic. 3.18. Weekly time frame, we underrated. So fundamental, we tested fundamental value here in June. Now we consolidate here. Open the chart of ICP, the same story. So we can just consolidate in the range between the fundamental value and the buy line. Take profit 10.57, exit line 11.93. So more than sure we're gonna hit these targets. You can add even alerts and just wait that targets to fix some profit. So I hope you like this video, guys. Write please in a comment what do you think about Aptos. Do you believe in this project or not? If you'd like to trade with my customer service, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.